Hello, wonderful friends. Welcome back to Juice and Foods. I'm sure you're all enjoying the festive season. Merry Christmas and be blessed. Can you guys guess what I'm making? Well, stay tuned to find out. I'm sure you'll love it. It's simple and easy and it tastes absolutely delicious. First of all, I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of flour to my bowl. I'm going to be adding my flour 1 cup at a time. Then I add salt, sugar, half a cup of water, and the yeast. And then I'm going to mix very well. Next, I'm going to add the rest of the flour, which is about 1.5 cups of flour. I'm going to add that to the dough, add the rest of the water, which is half a cup of water, and mix thoroughly. Afterward, I'm going to flour my work surface and knead the dough for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add some oil to the dough and coat it well, and then continue kneading for a few more minutes. Then place it in a bowl after also coating the bowl with oil. Cover with a damp napkin and leave it to rise for about 1 hour. Have you guys guessed what I'm making yet? After an hour, you can see that the dough has significantly risen in size, almost doubled. I am going to knead the dough once more on a floured surface. And then I am going to roll out the dough using a rolling pin. Normally, when you're making pizza, you would rather use your hands to push out the dough instead of using a rolling pin so as not to quench any air pockets or bubbles that formed when the dough was rising. But different types of pizza call for different methods. And yes, you guessed it, we're making a sumptuous pizza. After rolling out the dough, I'm going to use a keg cap to make small circles. Can you guess what type of pizza we're making? So what is the shape? It's a Christmas tree. We're making Christmas tree pizza. I lightly coat the surface with oil, preferably olive oil. And then I'm going to add my mysterious green sauce. Just joking. Our Christmas tree pizza is coming along nicely. The green sauce is a blended mixture of garlic, olive oil, greens, coriander leaves, mozzarella cheese, cashew nuts, salt, basil leaves, spices, and green and habanero peppers. For the full recipe, you can check the description box. And don't forget to subscribe while you're doing that. It's free. Next, I'm going to add my zucchini tomato sauce. You can click on the top right hand corner to give you an idea of how I make simple yet delicious tomato sauce. Afterward, I'm going to add mozzarella cheese, lots and lots of it. I'm going to generously coat the pizza with mozzarella cheese. Finally, I top the pizza with cherry tomatoes. Yum! Wow, isn't it pretty? I just pop it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's done. And voila! Our Christmas tree pizza is ready. Fantastic! This looks so pretty and it smells so good. So good. Let's have a taste. This was yummy. Guys, this tasted incredible. Everyone loved it. Everyone. It was gone within a few minutes. So there you have it, guys. Christmas tree pizza. Thanks for watching, guys. Merry Christmas. Don't forget the reason for the season. So glad to have shared this particular video with you guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!